Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help how to study science in class 9th. Start by clearing your desk and gathering textbook, notebook, calculator, and colored pens, then set a 25-minute timer. Read one subsection slowly and underline key terms, then write a short summary in your own words. Repeat with diagrams and label actively. End each session by testing yourself with 2 quick questions to cement learning and track improvement. Focus on active reading by previewing a chapter, noting headings, and converting them into questions you will answer. Read one paragraph at a time and pause to paraphrase aloud, then jot a 2-line summary. Draw or label any diagrams immediately after reading to reinforce concepts visually. Use highlighters sparingly and write one example problem at the end of each section to practice application and check understanding quickly. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps tips coming. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. I go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long study sessions and lab days. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a pair easily. Now let's get back to the video. Make practice a daily habit by solving at least one problem after finishing each topic and reviewing mistakes promptly. Create flashcards for formulas, units, and key terms, and review them in short bursts several times a week. Schedule a weekly mini-test covering 3 chapters and time yourself to build exam stamina. Finally, explain concepts aloud to someone else. Teaching reveals gaps faster than solo study and boosts retention significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.